friends, it's Mari here, and I have an unboxing video here for you today for the Cheeky Studio. And I received this box from Tuesday over at Cheeky Studio as part of my products here, or for the products for being the guest designer for the month of February. So I really love how she addressed it, the fabulous Mari Clark. I thought that was adorable. Anyways, thanks Tuesday. I am going to open the box. And on the very top is this really cute little business card. Facebook group, Cheeky Studio group. Twitter, Cheeky_studio. Facebook, Cheeky Studio. YouTube, Cheeky Studio. Pinterest, Cheeky Studio. And then Tuesday. So that is very sweet. Feeling a bit cheeky? Use hashtag #GetCheeky or hashtag Cheeky Studio on social media, and we will randomly select one winner per month to receive free goodies from the shop. That sounds like a wonderful deal. So I'm going to open it up. We have the signature little icon here, and the sticker, and some lovely tissue paper here. And I am going to open this up. Typical crafter that I am, I'm going to try not to ruin that, so I might repurpose that. Ooh, this is fun. Happy as a lark. That's adorable. I love that. Let's have a look. This is a little acrylic piece. You can see how big that is in conjunction with the size of my hand here. I love the font. I love the size of this. Very nice. Beautiful. Acrylic title piece. Love. Okay, next we have some ephemera, and this is the Wildflowers Ephemera Set 3. And I'm just going to move the box here. Going to take out all of these gorgeous die cut pieces, which, as the title indicates, we've got lots of floral pieces and foliage, and I love these colors. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I love that she included purple, kind of an indigo color, pinks. We've got some aqua. It's really pretty blue, kind of a cornflower blue, kind of a burnt orange, reddish color. Look at all of these pieces, guys. Does it say how many pieces? It doesn't, but like, I'm gonna call it a plethora of pieces. Lots. Yellows. Got some black accent pieces, which I love for a pop of black. These will be fantastic for layering pieces. Could use these on cards. All kinds of different projects. If you're making some tags for a gift. Gorgeous. Tuesday. Lovely. These are beautiful. Love them. That's a lot of pieces. So I'm going to move that off to the side, and let's see what else was in here. We also have some wildflower cut apart circles. So fun. Really sweet. So you could actually, just hang on a second. It looks like they would fit in a 1-inch punch. Yes, perfect. Perfect for a 1-inch punch. Love it. And there you have it. Voila, a perfect little circular embellishment for whatever it is that you're working on. So I love that. Those are really cute. Hi, you, we, fun, LOL, us, and EA. And then the florals. Really pretty. Love those. All are in the same colorway, really, that works with the wildflowers embellishments, the ephemera. Here we have some more cut aparts. And these are called Missyisms. This is awesome. Love it. Love, love, love. That is perfect. This is awesome. Really cute. Lots of little cut aparts. Love the colors of these florals. Jazzed up. Tangled and messy. I know where these come from. That's perfect. Awesome. Next we have some flare. I love flare. We got 5 little flare pieces here. Also Missyisms. We have everyday, poolside, not today, fun in the sun, and sunshine. Adorable. These would be really great for some summer layouts or vacation layouts, vacation projects. Fantastic. Love. Okay. Also from Missyisms. It's adorable. Dang it. I wrecked that one. I'm going to actually just cut this. Ooh, this is fun. This looks like 8x8 paper, which is fabulous, because if you're doing a mini album that's 8x6, you can easily make this work for the full sheets. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this Tuesday. Let me see. Am I right? 8x8, yes. So you could use this for your pocket pages. You could use these as embellishment layers for your scrapbooking, mats, etc. Or, you know what I love to do? If you follow me, if you're a subscriber, you know that I like to do stack mats on layouts. You could totally do this. So use this as one of your focal pieces for a layout, and then do another mat. I have a layout that I might be able to find quickly here. Just wait. This is a layout I was thinking of here. So you can see where there's an outer mat and then these inner mats and then another mat. So if you wanted to do mat, see, that's perfect for an inside mat. That's great. This is a layout that I did for big picture classes. Okay, so very nice. I love this. This is like a tropical theme, really gorgeous. And I could see how this would fit for Missy as well. I can see why this is a Missy theme, because she lives in Florida and a lot of her layouts obviously are kind of like that tropical theme, right? So perfect. This is so pretty. I love this. Oh my gosh. I love the color combo. Greens, navies, so different tones of greens, navies, and we have kind of like a peachy color. Really pretty. Ooh, also awesome. Could fussy cut that, or once again use this as a focal piece. I love that. Oh gosh, also pretty. Got the blues, the yellows, the pinks, greens. Really gorgeous. Oh gosh, love, 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 love. Also fussy cut that. Really pretty. Ooh, gorgeous. Love these palm fronds, I believe they're called. You can tell I do not live in a southern climate. Yeah, it was, I want to just tell you, it was minus 35 here yesterday. Minus 35 Celsius, people. It was cold. So this makes me happy on a day like that, or when our weather's like that. These are so pretty. Love it. Oh my gosh. That bright pink. Just stunning. Love that little detail in the corner too. Really nice. So lovely. This one you could go horizontal or vertical with it. Fantastic. And this blue has my heart. I love that color. It's one of my favorite colors, kind of like that cornflower blue color. Just love it. And a solid. Actually, it's kind of an ombre. Sort of an ombre. It's actually kind of got splotches of darker colors with the light. Really super pretty. So that's my designer kit as a guest designer here for the month of February. For Cheeky Studio, I am going to be posting 2 videos during the month of February using this kit. I'm super excited about it. Probably going to do a couple of wedding layouts possibly, or dig into my stash of summer photos and see what I can create with this. I'm really excited, and thank you so much to Cheeky Studio and Tuesday for allowing me to do this and for sending me this box of goodies. It's so much fun, and I can't wait to start creating with this. So I'll see you back, and you can look forward to a couple of videos in February using these products. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again here on my channel, guys. Bye-bye.